Hello everyone. I'm here today to show you a new project. I call this the passport holder folio or photo album, and you'll see why I call it this way. Um, this project and the tutorial for this project is going to be featured in the makersCREATE magazine, which is a magazine created and issued by Paper Phenomenon, and the editor-in-chief is the owner of the Paper Phenomenon, and her name is Kathy King. She's an amazing, amazing person. If you go to her website, paperphenomenon.com, you'll see all the amazing projects she has created over the years. I'm going to link you down below to the magazine. The magazine is actually a magazine made by crafters for crafters. So all the projects you are going to see in that magazine are made by other crafters. And um, I'm sorry, the magazine runs for 1 year. So there is an issue every year, and within that issue, there are actually another 4 sub-issues. So whenever you purchase the magazine, like if let's say you purchase in the middle of the year, you still get the previous issues. Um, and every issue has between 6 and 8 projects. Some of them are complex, so it's a mix between beginners, medium, and advanced projects. And they are like very beautiful projects, not like like sometimes you buy crafters magazine and they barely have any projects, so their projects are very simple, like how to make a card here and there. No, this magazine has wonderful, wonderful projects. You are not going to get bored with it. All you need is just to find the time to make all those projects. And I am so with this magazine, I have created 2 tutorials. So after we are finished with this, I'm also going to show you my my other project. For this project, what's wrong with my voice? For this project, I used this paper is called Fly 2715. It's a beautiful, beautiful paper. It's available in hard copy as well as digital. If you have a printer that you can print it 12 by 12, 6 by 6, or letter size, or 8 by 8. And this is again a product by Paper Phenomenon. And I'm going to link you down below for both digital as well as hard copy, as well as a link for this magazine. So let's look at this project. Like I said, I call it a passport folder. When I created this project, what I had in mind was somewhat of a passport folder, but also a passport holder, but also something in which you can, put pictures as you travel. So the closure, it's actually a zipper, okay? Because I'm thinking if you keep this in your bag, it has to stay closed, right? And the reason why it's very soft here is because when you put in your bag, you don't, it's going to, if it's quite empty, it's going to lay flat. So then you can push this inside and stay like this, right? So I'm going to open it. So it has a zipper like that. And if you are lovers of, if you have a cutting machine and you are lovers of SVG files, this project has SVG files for everything except for where it's a straight cut. Straight cuts are not going to have SVG files. Like for example, over here, it's all straight cuts, right? But everything else that you see that has any design whatsoever is an SVG file, as well as the SVG files for the respective matching. So for example, this pocket is an SVG file, but you'll also find an SVG file for the matching. So let's look inside this project. So the covers, both covers have the same kind of pockets on both sides. Okay. And this album will fit up to 5 by 7 pictures. So let's look over here. So here I use the paper. All of these, you find it in the paper collection. And here I just made a cut in the paper so you can tuck it in like that so it stays closed. So here are some side pockets. where you can fit 3 by 3 pictures like that. And this I just wanted to have a nice design. So once again, everything is part of the die cutting machine. And this is from the paper collection. I thought it would make a beautiful photo mat just on its own, which I placed in here. And the reason why we have this closure or this flap is because once you pull on it, you get this. And this fits 4 by 4, 3 by 3, and 2 by 2. And it goes the same on the other side. So you can place different size pictures. So in order to close it, we just put it back in, all the way in, and then we close it. On the second page, I left no design. However, I played with the paper and I created what Kathy King calls signature cut in the paper to create these extra pockets. So let me check this out. So as you can see, I have 4 by 6, I have 4 by 4, I have 3 by 3 pictures in here, or photo mats. So as you can see, let me use this for a second. So I cut in the paper to create all these places for pockets. So these are pockets created straight from the designer paper. And all these tabs that you see, all these embellishments are part of the paper collection. If you want, and if you are going to use the same paper collection to mat your album, you can even use this like this. So you can only put one picture in there if you want, but I wanted to be able to put more than one picture. And these are loose because you take this out, put the picture in, and then you can glue the picture down. So these are only for demonstration purposes and I left them loose. Okay, on the next page, again, a lot of beautiful embellishments from the beautiful paper collection. So these are photo mats. Actually here you can fit a 5 by 7 picture, but these are photo mats for 4 by 6. And with this one again, I cut in here to create tuck space where you can put another picture. So these are actually, and you can also put pictures on the back. So these are 3 pockets. Okay, so you can nicely fit pictures or airplane ticket stubs or boarding passes, you name it. Okay, turning the page. So that's the reason why I call it the passport holder. It actually holds up to 4 passports, but I do not have 4 passports. And just realize that my camera is not really straight. Okay, so these are the pockets for the passports, and then there are another 2 pockets here. So let me take these passports out. You also have a space to put your pen, but I could not find the pen handy to put it in there now. And this, you can put your credit cards like this, or you can put them like this, so it's easy to take them out when you need to use them. Or you can just put, you know, pictures or notes or whatever you desire. So all of this is just pockets. So these 2 pockets, one and 2, and then 1 and 2 are to hold passports. So I can put passport in here, and I can also put another passport in here. See, I can easily hold 2 passports and 2 passports. Okay, let's put the passports on the side, and then the rest, this is a pocket, same on this side, and pocket, 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 pocket. So you have a wide variety of pockets with with this passport holder because when I designed it, I thought of, traveling and, holding a lot of stuff all nicely in one place. Okay, turning the page. This page I actually designed for pictures, and you can even put a picture behind it. Let me take a photo mat from somewhere. You can even tuck a picture in here if you want to. Okay. The only thing is when you want to use, this is actually a waterfall here. When you want to activate the waterfall, you'll have to remove the picture from behind it. And this is a waterfall closure, which I'm going to pull out. Okay, and it keeps the waterfall closed. Opening from here, and yes, normally with a waterfall you pull on this and then the waterfall activates, but I designed this waterfall to actually push up. You push up and the water activates like this, and then when you pull this down, the waterfall comes back. Okay, so that's that. Here again, we have a lot of pockets. You have a pocket here, pocket here, then here on the side like this, which is open on one side, another pocket here. And then for the last page, I just kept it very simple as one last, rounded pocket. And again, pockets here, and like we saw before, pocket at the beginning of the project. Okay, so this is one project. And the other project is a little bit more simpler. It's actually an envelope to hold your, when you want to give a gift card or when you want to, just, give cash. So this is the envelope. Sorry about the glare. It's because the paper is, it's foil paper. It's gold paper. So this is the envelope. It has a magnet closure. And you open it like this and like this. Here is optional. You don't have to use this. You can even use like pictures if you want to. This is enough to hold 4x6 pictures. Actually, let me see a quick measurement. Again, this is all SVG files. Everything you see here in this project is SVG files. Let's just see. So this is 8.5 by 5. So definitely you can easily fit 4x6 pictures. And this is the middle pocket from where you pull this. This is the mini envelope that holds the money or the gift card, and is designed to hold cash as well as to hold the gift card instead of okay, let me show you quickly. Where is it? So you see, yes, some gift cards are like this, but nowadays most of gift cards come themselves wrapped in a bigger, package. So they are meant to hold a gift card wrapped in its original package. So this opens like this. See, we have a closure here like this. And then you put your money here or your gift card, close it. So once again, this is all SVG file. It takes the guess out. You don't have to guess what measurement is here, what measurement is there. All you have to do is just watch the videos to see where you have to score, glue it, and that's it. You have a wonderful gift card holder. You put it here like this and like this. And also what you could do, you can always cut this part twice. So therefore you're not going to have this flap here, and make your own card, embellish it however you like, and you'd make your own card, which is also a gift card. It holds a gift card, right? So these are the projects you are going to see in the next issue of makersCREATE magazine, for which I'm going to link you down below. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye bye.